Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ashish and I am here at Lotus Eye Hospital, main branch Pelamedu. I work as a retina consultant here. Retina is basically the innermost layer of the eye, and it's a very important layer of the eye because your vision and your eyesight depends on the good health of the retina. We deal with a lot of retinal diseases, both in the children and the age group of the patients, like old age. And there are most of the patients, who get retina problems because of the age. And the most important part is diabetes. Diabetes is blinding so many people. And India is a leading country where we are seeing so many people who are not even aware that diabetes can cause retinal damage. And because of this retinal damage, people are not aware and they come very late. So we would encourage them, if they can come as early as possible, we can screen them, we can really prevent them to go blind. So we do all kind of treatments and we have good diagnostic modalities here. For example, angiograms, high-end OCT machines. And apart from those diagnostic machines, we have all kind of latest treatments like lasers and injections, newer injections. So whatever technology is being offered anywhere in any part of the world, we would try to offer to our patients here. And we try to see retina and retina patients care. We work in two ways. We work once at the clinical part, and on the other hand, we always keep doing research. We have done a lot of research in the last few years, and we try to bring newer modalities which can diagnose retinal diseases, and we can offer that to our patients. Even we can make these patients even seen at the remotest area of the country. So for example, in the last few years we have designed a device which is our patented device, which is called the MI RetCam. With the help of just a smartphone itself, we can diagnose diabetic retinopathy even at the remotest corner of the country, and even we can diagnose retinopathy of prematurity, because when the babies are born less than 9 months, there is a chance that their retina can get damaged. That we can diagnose with the help of MI RetCam at a very early stage, and these babies can be treated. So apart from this, we try to do a lot of research in the area of the drugs that we use and that we offer to our patients. We try to offer these innovative drugs, for example, biosimilar drugs to all our patients, which are cost effective also, and the efficacy is as good as the original drugs. So because we live in a country where every patient cannot afford the same cost, so if we come here, we try to provide treatment whether you are poor or whether you are rich. Each and everyone we try to provide the technology and the treatment. And as I was talking about the diabetic retinopathy, that how it is blinding people, to care, to cover that people are not able to come, they are not aware. We are recently designing an app which is called the Diabetic Blindness Free India, DBFI app, which you are going to see very soon, so that we can connect retinal doctors and the diabetologists wherever the patient is seeing the diabetic doctor. So at one roof at Lotus Eye Hospital, you will get the care and the best diagnosis with the best facilities and the cutting edge treatment with humility and with all our open arms, with all our empathy. So each and anyone who has any questions about the retina or retina related problems, feel free to contact us. Thank you so much.